Yo, what's going on? Welcome back to another video. So recently I've gotten a ton of DMs and messages asking about dropshipping, how people can dropship with a really low startup budget because they don't have a lot of money to put in at the beginning. So I was kind of thinking about that for a little bit and I had a couple ideas, and today I'm going to teach you guys how you can start dropshipping with literally $0. So all the stuff I'm going to show you guys in this video, including apps, themes, and everything with Shopify, is going to be completely free or free trials that you can easily pay back within the first week of dropshipping sales. So everything you're going to need to start dropshipping in the method I'm going to tell you guys is a computer that can connect to the internet and a phone that either has service or it can connect to the internet. So I'm pretty sure if you're watching this video, you either have a computer or a phone that can connect to the internet, and therefore you're smooth sailing for the rest of this video. So basically I just recorded an entire video of me making the dropshipping store while talking to the camera, and I was not recording. So I'm gonna do the whole thing again instead of just showing you guys the end product, so you can double check and make sure it's all free. So if that doesn't deserve a like, I don't know what does. Make sure you like and subscribe for the YouTube algorithm. So I guess let's go ahead and get started with the first part of this challenge, Shopify. Okay, so as you can see on my screen, first step is go to shopify.com, make an account and log in, which is absolutely free. So once you get to Shopify, make sure you hit start free trial. You can log in or create your own store. I've already created the store for this video. I'm just gonna make another theme and I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys right now. Okay, so as you can see now, I'm in the dashboard of my store. I already have a theme and started importing products, but I'm gonna restart all of that, completely pick a new product and everything, just to show you guys how you can start from complete scratch. And as you can see, if you're keeping tabs on another page doing step one, this is step one. I'm looking at my dashboard to prove I have no sales. I'll go ahead and refresh it to prove there's already no sales and everything. So in the later videos, I can show you that I'm actually making sales and it's not already there. Everything's at zero, no traffic. I haven't promoted this anywhere. I haven't even gotten a domain. So step two is go to Dropshipping.com, which is a free Shopify theme which you can download onto your store and start editing it for completely free. Dropshipping, this is what the actual website looks like. There's a couple scams that try to get you to pay or put your card in. For this, you need no card, no information at all. So if it's asking you to make an account or anything like that, don't do it. This is the website, Dropshipping.com. So then it's gonna ask you to put in your email and your name to your Shopify store so it knows that it's downloading to the right Shopify. And also, while this is loading, don't worry about buying a domain right now. We'll do that at the end once you have enough money to do that. But for now, you can stick with the stock Shopify domain, which is the .myshopify.com. So I'll actually be right back. I have to go get the charge for my MacBook because it's at 5% and I don't want it to die. So what you want to do after you download the Beautify and get put into your dashboard, you want to go ahead and go to theme library, which is right here on the sidebar, and click add the Beautify 2.02 and add to theme library. So add a new theme. As you can see, I already have it, but I'm gonna add a brand new one so I can start from scratch. And also I'm probably gonna speed it up a little bit. I'm gonna show you guys me making the complete dropshipping store, and so you can do the same, and how to make it look clean with a one product store. Okay, so since it's added, I'm gonna go ahead and refresh my Shopify store. Okay, perfect. So as you can see now, we're in the brand new Beautify Shopify theme, and what you want to do is over here where it shows you what kind of layout you're in, you want to go to mobile, because the way we're going to be doing this is going to be optimized for mobile viewing, and people are going to be mainly looking at on their phones, so you want to make sure you customize it like this. And as you can see, I call my store Globe Case because the product we're going to be picking in today's video is a suction phone case. It's like an anti-gravity thing. I'll show you in a second, but feel free to copy this product on your own store. It's probably going to be washed up if I get sales on this, but I wouldn't recommend copying it. Find a cool product on a website such as Alibaba or AliExpress. I personally use AliExpress to find a cool little gimmick product and just put it on here if you think people would buy it. So this is the case we're going to be using for this store. It's obviously not going to be these pictures because this shows old iPhones. It looks like a 6 or 7. We're going to make sure they're the new so it looks up to date, because most people aren't going to have phones this old. If you do, no hate to you, but a lot of people that are looking at this are probably going to have the newer generation of phones. I'm going to try to find pictures of newer phones and newer people using them, and kind of like outdoor activities and kind of daily processes to use in my Shopify website. So for the first welcome thing, when people go onto this website, the first thing you're going to see is this tab, and as you can see, I put the feature of phone cases. Globe Case launched in 2021 is the new feature of what phone cases can be, starting with the all-new anti-gravity phone case. So it makes people think it's more of a brand rather than a dropshipping store, because it looks like I'm going to be adding more cases and more phone products in the future than just the anti-gravity case we have for today's video. So make sure you just make it look more like it's branded and have its own brand to it. Once we buy the domain, it's going to make it look even better, and it just gives it an overall better feel, and if people are more inclined to buy something from it if it looks more like a brand rather than just a dropshipping store. So I actually found this cool picture of someone holding it in the air, so it looks like it's floating instead of just being stuck to the wall. So it's not really clickbait, but if you think of websites as clickbait, this would be website clickbait. I think it looks really cool behind the text. I'm probably going to edit the transparency a little bit so the text look better and it's kind of faded out into the back, but let's go ahead and see what we can do. Okay, so make sure you save everything just like I said a second ago. So the next step we're going to do is I'm going to teach you guys how to remove the powered by Shopify, because I don't want to do that later because I'm probably going to forget. But as you can see, if you scroll to the bottom, people are going to see it says Copyright 2020 Globe Case powered by Shopify, because people don't really want to see that it's powered by Shopify, which most professional websites actually are powered by Shopify, but it just looks more professional without it. And you actually have to pay for the Beautify Pro if you want to remove that, but I'm going to show you guys a super easy workaround to get it for free. So basically what you're going to do is scroll to the bottom, theme actions, edit code. And I know we're going into the code, so you might not want to do this, but it's actually super easy. Just follow me along exactly what I'm doing. I'm going to show you guys how to remove it. So basically in the search files right here at the top, you're going to search up footer, and you're going to see footer.liquid, easy. And then over here, you're going to hit command or control whichever computer on F, command or control F, and search up powered, and find where it says powered by Shopify. Okay, so as you can see now, it's showing the copyright here. I searched up powered by, and it's showing me powered by here Shopify. Okay, so you're gonna copy all this. Also, after it says the name, it's showing you the copyright. Then what you're gonna do is delete where it says link to all the way down to span where it says theme by. So you're gonna save that exactly like this. If you need to stop and take a screenshot to see exactly what mine looks like, I'm gonna give you guys a second to go ahead and copy that down. Okay, so it's been a second. You guys can pause it if you need to go look at it. Make sure you delete everything the right way. But now as you go back to your theme to customize it and you scroll down to the bottom, in just a second after it loads, you're going to see that it actually does not say powered by Shopify anymore, and it looks a lot cleaner. Perfect. Now it says copyright 2021 globe case theme by Dropshipping, which you can keep it there. You can delete the Dropshipping, but for now I'm just going to leave it. I just don't want it to say powered by Shopify. So I just wanted to get that out of the way so you guys know what to do. But now at the top where it says free shipping over $70, obviously people aren't going to buy $70 worth of phone cases. And if you don't want to give out free shipping, I'm going to show you guys how to delete it, because as you can see, there's actually no option to edit the announcement banner right here on the homepage. So what you want to do is scroll down to the bottom where it says theme settings, advanced settings, and this is the announcement bar. You can either delete it or you can just enable it. I'm gonna keep it enabled. I'm gonna put free shipping over, or I'm gonna put buy one get one free. And go ahead and hit save. So now it says buy one get one free at the top. You can make it a hyperlink to where you click it. It'll take you to a buy one get one free page, but now we have a lot more of the website to do the featured product list and this. You guys can customize it however you want. Whatever you want to do, make it look good, because it's already set up and it already looks really good. I don't want to waste you guys' time, because this is about how to start dropshipping with $0, not how to make a dropshipping store. So basically I'm gonna go ahead and make the store and get back to you guys when it's done. Okay, so now we're officially done with the dropshipping store. As you can see, I completely removed the announcement banner because I didn't really want to mess with the code to make it a hyperlink to where it would go to the shop, and I didn't really want to give away one if they buy two. I'm going to take you guys through a small tour of the website before we go in and how to promote the product. So basically, this is the feature of cases, shop now. It's the same thing I talked about. I went ahead and capitalized it because it looks better. And how it works, I put a little video describing the case. You guys can scroll through it really quickly. It's just a small video, and there's a little option if you go to theme settings to add a video in there so people can see how it works before they buy it, so they know what it does, instead of just thinking it floats by being called anti-gravity. Then next, it's going to show you guys the case. It says anti-gravity phone case. I'm actually selling it for $15, and there's a little drop down option to pick your phone model and to pick your color, and it's only $15. I have a good choice of pictures of different phones on different categories, and I think it looks really good. And it says buy case, this, subscribe to our newsletter, I think it looks really good. And if you guys want to copy this picture, feel free to do it. I'm actually going to give away this website at the end of the video also, so if you guys want to win this website, join the Discord server, first link in the description. Okay, so now let's get to the goods. So basically, also starting dropshipping with $0. As you can see, if you go to the website right now, it's going to ask you for a password. It doesn't look that clean if people type in a password. So what you're going to do is go ahead and start a plan. You're going to pick a plan. I think it's like $30 a month for the basic Shopify plan, and you're going to go ahead and click it. You're going to put in your card information, everything, and it's not going to charge you. Trust me, you're going to pick it, and it's not going to charge you anything because you're still on this 15-day trial. So at the end of the 15 days, it is going to charge you that $30, but I'm hoping by 15 days you at least made 2 sales, because this product's $15. So all you have to do is sell 2, and you can already pay for your monthly fee. So really all you have to do is sell 3 cases a month to be profitable. So it's pretty easy to do. So you just want to pick a plan, and you can remove the password, and you have 15 days to get started with profit. So now I'm going to show you guys how to promote this product and start making money. So first step, what you're going to do is go to TikTok, tiktok.com, or download the app on your phone and make an account. So I'm pretty sure you can see where this is going right now. We're going to make a TikTok account to promote this product. So perfect, we got the OG username of Globe Case on TikTok, and we have the bio set up. We're going to go ahead and we have the page set up, so we're going to go ahead and make a bio, get a profile picture, and start making it look good. And we're going to go ahead and make some videos that we steal from Google and YouTube to start promoting the product. Hopefully get our first couple sales. So basically what you're going to do, as you can see on my screen, is make a TikTok account like that, and you're going to start getting some videos from YouTube, or you can even post pictures and just put music and text over them, and you're going to start promoting your product a little more. You want to get people to go to your website, and I don't think you can put a website in your bio until you have 1,000 followers. So just start promoting the product a lot until you hit that 1,000 follower mark, which, trust me, it's really not that hard to get 1,000 followers on TikTok. Once you do promote the product, promote the link, you can even tell people to go ahead and click the link. The first 10 people get it free or something like that. And as of right now, you still put $0 into the brand and hopefully gotten a couple sales. And if you have an Instagram page or anything like that, if you have one above 10,000 followers, you can do a swipe up link. You can promote other brands to do swipe up links on your product after you've made sales, because then you're still starting with $0. Or you can just post on your own personal Instagram page, even if you only have 200 followers, because it's still 1 follower, it could be 1 sale. If you're a good promoting artist as I am, then you could probably get 10 sales out of 1,000 followers. So just keep promoting, and eventually you could be at the top of the dropshipping game with starting with $0. So this has been the first part of the video. I hope you guys have a really good rest of your day, and I'm gonna try to get the second part of this video out sometime later this week of me trying to start on TikTok and starting to gain sales. So make sure you guys follow this guide, follow this video to start dropshipping, and I hope you guys have a good rest of your day, and I'm out. Peace out.